सुप्रभात सर।
हेलो, सबसे पहले हम सुखासन में बैठ जाएंगे, अपना थोड़ा सा वार्म अप कर लेते हैं। We will do some warm up. So palms, place your palms on your knees, neck is straight, and just bring your chin to your chest. And bend your neck to back. One more time. आगे हमें अपनी चिन लगानी है चेस्ट से और पीछे की तरफ लेके जानी है। नाउ सेंटर में आ जाएंगे और अपनी नेक को हम राइट शोल्डर से लगाएंगे और लेफ्ट से लगाएंगे। तो कीप इन माइंड लाइक शोल्डर आर फेसिंग फॉरवर्ड, so bend your neck to right shoulder, come back to center and the left side. Back to center. Now we are making circles. हम circle बनाएंगे clockwise और anti-clockwise. We will do twice. So make a circle to right side once, very slowly. One more time. And the opposite direction. Now we are going to extend our arms in front of us. Make a fist with the right hand and left hand and rotate them clockwise or anti-clockwise. Try to keep your elbows straight. तो दोनों हाथों को आगे फैला के हमें clockwise और anti-clockwise rotate करना है। Now one arm, right arm is extending to right and palm is facing floor, and we are going to press from the top of the palm and fingers are pointing on the floor. We are going to do opposite direction. So this time fingers are pointing up in the sky. We will repeat with the other hand. The left hand extended, palms facing down. We are pressing from the top of the hand and finger is pointing on the floor. And we are going to do opposite direction. Now place both both hands fingers on your shoulder and rotate your elbows clockwise or anti-clockwise 5 times. Now we are going to place our palms on our knees and we are going to rotate our shoulder clockwise or anti-clockwise 4 or 5 times in each direction. दोनों shoulders को round करना है clockwise or anti-clockwise में. Now we are going to place our right palm on left knee and left hand is going at the back, so we are twisting to our left. We are going to repeat in the different direction, opposite direction. So this time we are twisting to right. Now we are going to come in the sitting position. Both legs are extending. Point the toes are pointing up. We are going to bend to forward and at the back, just the toes only. Now this time we are bending our whole ankle to right side and left side. तो अपने एंकल को हम राइट साइड में और लेफ्ट साइड में हम बेंड कर रहे हैं. This time we are going to rotate the whole both ankles in clockwise or anti-clockwise. तो दोनों पंजों से हम अपना सर्कल बना रहे हैं, क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। Now bend your right knee and open. लेफ्ट राइट नी को हम ओपन कर रहे हैं और खोल रहे हैं। Now we are going to extend this right leg to right side. 3-4 times कर लेते हैं। We are going to repeat the same thing with the left leg. So we are bending and opening on a bending. Left leg. Now we are going to extend this left leg to the left side. Now come to the butterfly position. Hold it with your hands, both. And now just do the flapping action. So it's good for hip opening. We are going to sit in a comfortable position. We'll do Om once and then Gayatri Mantra. Before that, we will take a deep breath in. Try to connect with our breath. And slowly taking out, exhale. Breathe in. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat। हे प्राण पवित्रता और आनंद को देने वाले प्रभु, आप सर्वज्ञ और सकल जगत के उत्पादक हैं। हम आपके उस उत्तम पाप विनाशक और ज्ञान स्वरूप तेज का ध्यान करते हैं जो हमारी बुद्धियों में प्रकाशित रहता है। आप सदैव हमारी बुद्धियों में प्रकाशित रहें और हमें सत्कर्मों की ओर प्रेरित करते रहें। तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम अपना कैट एंड काउ पोज में आ जाएंगे। वी आर कमिंग इन ऑल फोर्स। तो मेक श्योर palms, both palms are underneath your shoulder and knees are underneath your heads. So as we breathe in, just we are raising our chest up and hip bones. As we breathe out, we are rounding our shoulders, belly to spine. 2 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now we are going to extend our right leg and left leg to spine balance pose. We are going to hold it for 2 deep breaths here. And bring it back with the other leg now. Left leg extended, right hand. Bring it back. Now we are going to come to Parvatasana, downward facing dog. To feel the stretch, the both foot are hip width apart, arms are extended, and hip bones are going up in the sky. So we are making like very good stretch here for back of the body. To increase some stretch, we can just bend one knee at a time, just like a paddling thing. Neck is heavy. There is no tension in our neck. It just is heavy. We can move around either here and there. Now we are going to walk slowly between both palms. It is between both palms. As we inhale, we are going to make a circle with our arms, big circle, and come to the standing position. We will do the sun salutation first. So bring your hand to heart center in Anjali Mudra and just say Om Suryaya Namaha. As we breathe in, we raise our both arms up. As we exhale, we are bending forward. You can use blocks here, or you can bend a little bit your knees if it's hard, or if you are not reaching on the floor. As you breathe in, we are taking right leg at the back, front leg at the 90-degree angle, and neck is straight. We are holding for one more breath here. Bring your left leg at the back also to downward facing dog. Parvatasana. As you inhale, bring your body, come to plank position, Dandasana. As we exhale, we are going to do Ekstangasana. So knee, chest, and chin on the floor. सांस लेते हुए cobra pose. Exhale, come to Bhujangasana. Now tuck your toe, come to Parvatasana again. As you exhale. Inhale, right leg comes in between your palms. Shoulders are back and neck is straight. Follow with your left leg. As you inhale, bring your both arms up and come to the side, by your side. Now we are going to repeat the other side. Inhale, exhale, forward bending. Inhale, left leg at the back. Right leg follow left. Parvatasana. As you inhale, plank position and Dandasana, Ashtangasana. Inhale, cobra. So both legs are extended. Tuck your toe in. As you exhale, Parvatakar Sthiti. Inhale, left leg comes in between your palms. Right leg also join. Stay here for one breath here. Remember, you can bend your knees if it's hard. Inhale, circle your big arms and come to the prayer position. Now we are going to do triangular. So for that, we just set the foot. The front foot is facing forward and back foot is 45-degree angle. Both legs are straight. As you inhale, spread your both arms at the shoulder height. And as you exhale, we are going to bend to right. Trikonasana. Here you can look at the floor at the front of the room or at the back hand, top hand. Now, as we inhale, we are going to come up to warrior two. The gaze is at the middle finger. Torso is at the front. Keep breathing when we are holding the pose. Now we are going to place our left hand on the calf muscles and right hand going over the head, which is facing, palm is facing at the back of the room. Reverse warrior. Now place your elbow on your left knee and left hand is going over the head for extended side angle pose. One more breath here. Now we are going to place our right hand on the mat and we are pushing our left leg up straight for half moon. You can use blocks here. In the beginning, chest is open. Now place both palms on the mat and bring your right leg at the back for Parvatakara Sthiti. Feel the stretch, the whole body is stretching. Now we are going to walk to the front in between our palms. And as we breathe in, we are going to make a circle and come to the standing position and hands to the heart center. Now we are going to repeat this to other side. So this time we are going to set our left foot in the front of the room and right is a 45-degree angle. As we breathe in, we are going to spread our arms on the shoulder height. As we breathe out, we are going to bend to left to Trikonasana. To make sure the posture is correct. If you are not reaching up here, you can use the block, just like this. As we breathe in, we are going to come up to the warrior two. So the left knee is bending. One more breath here. Now we are going to bang forward. Right hand is going on the right calf and left hand is facing at the back for the reverse warrior. Place your left elbow on your knee and right hand extend to the over the head. Side angle pose. One more breath here. So we are stretching all the right and thigh. Now we are going to come to half moon. Place your left hand on the mat, and we are going to extend our right leg and right hand up. One more breath. Now we are going to place our right palm on the mat, right leg on the mat, and this time we are coming to sitting position. It's a nice stretch. Now we are going to do next is Chakki Chalan. So in this one, we are going to open our legs for about 45-degree angle. Interlace your finger in front of you at the shoulder height, extend your arms at the shoulder height. Now we are going to make a chakki, like make a circle, clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times, each direction. So when we are coming back, when we are bending, we are exhaling. And when we are going back, we are inhaling. So 5 times. 2, 3, make a big circle. जितना बड़ा से बड़ा बना सकते हैं बनाइए. 4, 5. Now opposite direction. Big circle. 1, 2, 3. बहुत अच्छा बैक के लिए, पेट के लिए. And if we just extend a little bit more, I'm just facing forward. It's comfortable, obviously. Now we are going to place our left hand, back of the palm on right hip, and right hand is going up As we take a deep breath here, as we breathe out, we are bending to our left leg. This time we are going to hold a little bit longer. Three more breaths. As we breathe in, we are coming up the original position. Now we are going to repeat the other side. So left, back the palm on the left, right hand on the left hip. As we breathe in, we are raising our hand up in the sky. As we breathe down, we are bending to right. As we breathe in, we are going to come to sitting position. Now we are going to do Ardha Matsyendrasana. So इसमें bring your left heel to the right side of the hip and bend your right knee across the other side of the, bring your foot other side of the left thigh and bring your hand in between your chest and left hand, between your chest and knee and hold it here. Right hand is we are placing at the back and twisting to, as we are breathing out, twisting to right. If it is hard, we can place this leg to here, or we can just hold it, hug it, rather than going like this. So we just hold it, hug it here, and just go. 2 more breaths here. Now we are going to bring this right knee on the left knee for Gomukhasana. The right hand is going up because our right knee at the top, holding both hands together. It's a very good pose for lungs. Two more breaths here. Now slowly bring your arms by your side. Now we are going to repeat the other side. So first we are going to do Ardha Matsyendrasana. The right heel is outside of left hip and right foot is outside of our right thigh. So this time we are taking right hand in between our chest and knee and holding the ankle. Take a deep breath here. As we breathe out, we are going to bend to left. One more breath here. So try to keep your back straight and shoulder down. Then we can use the right muscle. As you inhale, come back to the center. Now we are going to do a Gomukhasana. The left knee and right knee are going to top of each other. So this time left knee at the top, the left hand is going up and right down. Gomukhasana. So see both hips are stretched, like they are getting stretched. So sitting के लिए अच्छा है. 2 more breath here. Come on, slowly come to the normal sitting. Now we are going to do boat pose. So we are sitting on our hip bones, hugging our knees, and heels are lifted. So make sure our back is straight. Just stay here for 2 breaths, deep breath here. So our tummy muscles, core muscles are getting warm up. Now we are going to open our knees little bit, like at 90 degree, and we can hold it here. I'm just showing the slow, like the easier version. Here we can just make the arm straight, if extended. It's a little bit harder. Here we can add some leg movement also. So we can just extend one leg at a time. So do on your pace, whatever is comfortable for you. Don't push yourself. There are so many options. It will give the same effect. Make sure your back is straight. You can hold it, or you can just move your legs. Slowly come back to sitting position. Now we are going to do Supta Vajrasana. So we know we are doing every day. So we are coming to Vajrasana. But we are sitting between our toes. So bring your elbow on the ground so you can get the support. Oh my God, my leg is. And come to the lying position, Supta Vajrasana. Just keep breathing. Hands can be placed on your tummy or on your side. Just enjoy the stress. Keep deep breathing. Take a deep breathing here. Do in and out. And sink into this stretch. Just feel the wonderful feeling you are having. Where are you feeling stretch? And anyway, you can come to child pose anytime if any pose is difficult or not able to do properly. So don't push yourself. Just come to the child pose. 15 more seconds. Now slowly bring with your help of your elbow, just come to the sitting position, and straight we are going to do child pose. So this time our hands are by our side, head is on the floor, and it's a resting pose. So we are resting in this pose for a few seconds. One more breath here. Now place your palms by your side and come to the sitting position. Now we are going to do Mandukasana. So we are making a fist, but thumb is going inside our fist. Place both fists, both sides of the belly button. Take a deep breath here. And as we exhale, we are bending forward from our hip bones, not from the lower back. We are going to hold for 30 seconds. If you can hold the breath for 20 seconds, great. Otherwise, keep breathing. If someone has high blood pressure, try to not hold the breath. As we breathe in, come into the sitting position. We will do one more time, but other one, make a cup, and right palm on the down, like on the belly, and left is on the top. Take a deep breath here. As we breathe out, we are bending forward. As we breathe in, coming up. Now we are going to place our palms on the mat and extending our both legs at the back. We are going to do bow pose. So we are lying on our tummy. Bend your both knees and hold them from ankle. Take a deep breath here, preparing ourselves, and exhale. On the next inhalation, we are going to do the bow pose. The knees are coming up and chest also at the same time. We can rock here if comfortable. It's like a baby rocker. Slowly extend your legs. Now bring your elbows, bend your elbows to the shoulder width apart and tuck your toe. We are going to do plank position for 1 minute, maybe. Yeah. So engage the whole muscles all over your body, especially core muscles. Neck is straight, looking at the mat. You can close your eyes also to feel the stretch properly. No distractions. Make sure your elbows are just underneath your shoulder. Ten more seconds. Now slowly lower your body on the mat. Now we are going to come on our back. We will do some, we'll face this way. Uttan Padasana. Place your both palms next to your hip or underneath your hip. It helps to do the Uttan Padasana. You can just raise your legs to 45-degree angle around and just stay here for 30 seconds. Or it's optional. We can open our legs and close, open and close for 50 times. So whatever is comfortable for you. When you are tired, just lie down on the mat, have some rest. Don't push yourself. जितना पैर नीचे होगा उतना ज्यादा मुश्किल होगा। Two more times. Done. Now hug your knee, make a circle, give some massage to your back, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now we are going to raise our legs to Ardha Halasana, which is just 90-degree angle. Now we are going to do Halasana. So take a deep breath here. As we breathe out, we are going to bring your legs to the back of the room for Halasana. The legs are straight. If it's difficult, you can do up to here, or you can place some blocks and rest your legs on the blocks or cushion. If it's easy, we can interlace our fingers and arms are straight on the mat. 15 more seconds here. Now place both palms underneath your hips and slowly come to the mat. If you need to bend your knees, do so you don't get the jerk on your spine. Now place your foot directly here. We are going to do bridge pose. So both palms are on the mat or holding the heel. As we breathe in, we are going to raise our belly up, hips up. As we are exhaling down, inhale up, exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up, exhale down. This time we are going to hold it for 30 seconds. So roll your shoulder underneath your little bit inside, so you can get a good stretch. Now look at your legs. Feel the stretch in your legs. Very good pose for back pain and strengthening your legs. You can hold your heel or you can just interlace your finger to get more stretch. 10 more seconds. Elbows are straight. Now slowly come to the mat. Now we are going to extend both legs. Now bend your right knee and hold the ankle. Just take a deep breath here. As we breathe out, we are trying to touch our big toe to our knee, with your nose or forehead. Take a deep breath here. As we breathe out, we are raising our head also. The left leg is straight. If it's too difficult, just bend your left knee and place the sole of the foot on the mat. It's a little bit easier. Very good pose for hip opening. But supposed to be left leg, supposed to be straight. Five more seconds here. Now we are going to come to the lying position. Right leg is extended. Going to repeat the left side. Just Bend your left knee, hold the ankle. Take a deep breath here. As we are going to exhale, we are going to raise our hand and try to meet with our big toe. Make sure shoulders are at the back, away from ear. One more breath here. Slowly come to the lying position. Now we are going to one more pose, which is Pavan Muktasana. We are going to bend our right knee to chest. As we exhale, we are going to squeeze our belly, knee and nose together. Inhale, come to the lying position. Now we are going to repeat the left side. Take a deep breath here. As we exhale, come to the pose. Extend the left leg. We are going to do both legs together. Take a deep breath here. As we breathe out, coming into the pose. Very good pose for gastric problem. As the name is Pavan Muktasana, gas relieving pose. Breathe in, come to the lying position. Now we are going to do Shavasana. So extend your low legs. You must be kept for 1 foot or 2, 1.5 or whatever comfortable. Whenever you feel comfortable, that's enough. Hands are by your side, a little bit away, 4 or 5 inches away from you. Take a deep breath here. And slowly, slowly exhale. This time we are going to fill our chest and our abdomen also. Deep breath. Fill the air in your tummy. As we are exhaling, we are melting our body to the mat. If you feel any tension somewhere in your joint or somewhere, just move a little bit. Try to adjust that joint. Especially sometimes happen in the hip area. Now try to connect with your breath, going in and out, nothing else. Now bring your attention to your body. Just scan the body quickly. Are you feeling heavy on the mat? Are you feeling the warmness? Are you feeling the blood flowing going throughout the body? Try to relax every single muscle in our body. Now bring your arms up your head and stretch your legs also. Just stretch the whole body. Stretch, stretch. Now relaxed. Just come to the right side. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Now with the help of the palm, we are going to come to the sitting position in Sukhasana. Now we are going to have one more deep breathing, and then we will do the Om Ucharan. Then we will proceed to Pranayam. So bring your hands to Dhyan Mudra. Sit comfortably. The weight on both, like hips are taking the same weight, even weight. And our spine is just long. Shoulders are down. Take a deep breath here. And out slowly. Inhale. Oh. सबसे पहले we will do Bhastrika. तो उसके लिए we will come to the Vajrasana and make a fist with your both hands and bring to next to your armpit or shoulder. As we inhale, we are going to extend our arms, and as we exhale, we are going to bring them back. Make sure your knees, your both elbows are next to you. They are not like this. So we will do set of 30, 20 and 20. First one we are going to do slow one, then medium and fast, but you do it on your own pace. If you just do slowly, that's it, good, it's okay. So don't push yourself. So 30 times slow. Have some rest for a couple of breaths. Now 20 times medium. Now we are going to do 20 times, a little bit faster. So do your own pace, don't push yourself. We are going to sit in a Sukhasana, Siddhasana or Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana, whatever comfortable for you. The hand in the Gyan Mudra. We are going to Kapal Bhati. So with this, like neck, like spine has to be straight. And when you are tired in between, just twist to your right or left and keep your mool bandh engaged all the time. Try to do that. It's very like it's helping to get the energy up in the body. It does not go through that way out. So it's good if you just keep that, maintain that. तो मूल बंद लगा के रखना है, कमर हमें सीधी रखनी है, एंड जब भी हम टायर्ड हो जाए तो हमें आगे हम ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं दोनों साइड में, एंड इसमें हम सांस लेंगे. वी विल टेक ए ब्रेथ हियर, डीप ब्रेथ, एंड वी विल टेक द ब्रीथ आउट, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू exhale. We are not going to look after inhale part, so just exhaling. So let's begin. We will do about for 10 minutes. Just reminder, just Mooladhar, Moolbandh, and spine is straight, neck is straight. If you just keep your attention to your crown chakra, which is where put our tilak, this will be good. It will help in dhyan also. When you are tired, just twist your left and right. Sometimes you can get the lower back pain if you are just sitting for a long attention position. So just move a little bit if you feel tired. And don't forget the saral bhav on your face. No tension on your face, just sink into it, this Kapalbhati. करीब करीब 10 मिनट हो गया है. So next we will do Bhaya Kumbhak Pranayam. So in this we will take a deep breath inside and we exhale whole breath out, and we are going to engage our Moolband, Udyan Band, and Jalandhar Band. So we'll hold it for whatever we can hold for 20 seconds, 10 seconds, or 30 seconds. Blood pressure patient, like they have blood pressure high, we don't say like hold it. Just look after yourself and listen to your body. So breathe in. We will do 3 times. Now we are going to do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So in this one, we are going to inhale from left side and exhale from right nostril, and inhale from right nostril and exhale to left. So we are going to do this cycle, and when we finish, we will finish with our left nostril. So we'll do around for 4 or 5 minutes. So place your right thumb on your right nostril and ring finger on your left nostril. This hand can be in Gyan Mudra or open, like palm is facing up in your lap. Whatever is comfortable. So breathe in from left side, out for right. Breathe in for right, from right, and exhale from left. This is the one cycle. We will do for 4 or 5 minutes, maybe 5. Try to engage your Moolband in this one also. Finish it when you finish your left cycle, left side. Next, we are going to do Bhramari Pranayam. So like, bring your thumb in your ear, like we are closing, so we can't hear from outside. And place your finger slightly inside your eyes, next to your nose, and ring finger in your forehead. Take a deep breath here, and as we breathe out, we are going to make nad sound from our nose. So we'll do 3 times. नेक्स्ट इज उद्गीत प्राणायाम, तो इसमें हम ओम की ध्वनि करेंगे। ओ और मैं सिमिलर लेंथ का होगा। उसके बाद फिर हम एक बार लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए और सामूहिक ओम का उच्चारण करते हुए शांति पाठ करेंगे। उद्गीत प्राणायाम। Take a deep breath here. ओम द्यौ शांति अंतरिक्ष द्यौं शांति पृथ्वी शांतिरापा शांतिरोषधयः शांति वनस्पतयः शांति विश्वे देवा शांति ब्रह्म शांति, सर्वगुण शांति, शांतिरेव शांति, सामा शांतिरेधि। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Now rub your palms together to generate the heat. Place palms on your eyes slightly. Bring your palms in front of you and look at your palms, and we will do the mantra. Karagre vaste Lakshmi, Kar madhye Saraswati, Kar mule tu Govinda, Prabhate Kar darshanam. Om शांति ही शांति ही शांति ही। सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू अंजलि, वेरी नाइस टुडे। इन सबको नए साल की शुभकामनाएं। आज से नवरात्रि शुरू करेंगे और भारतीय योग संस्थान का धन्यवाद। एवरीबॉडी हैव अ नाइस डे। बाय।
Thank you,
Thank
Anjali.
you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Anjali.
Thank you,
Happy
everyone.
Navratri
Guru
to
Parva
all.
to
Have a
everybody.
good
Happy
day.
Navratri, everyone.
Thank you, Anjali.
Have a
Thank
nice
you. Happy Navratri.
धन्यवाद अंजलि.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Very nice session.